Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're having a look at the Civivi Dogma. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, we got the Civivi Dogma here, available in a couple of different colors as far as the scales go. And I know they have a Damascus blade. And let's get some size references here. Here it is closed next to a permanent marker. Let's open it up. Right, measurement wise, if you want to check it out, let me close it back up here. Right, so from here to here, I would say just about 4¼ inches opened up from tip to end. Oh, just about 8 inches there. And just in case you're wondering about the thickness of what that's going to look like in your pocket, here is a pair of chopsticks. Alright, let's get it on the scale. Coming in, what's that, 3.1 ounces? 3.2 ounces, well, somewhere in that area. And that is lighter than a full deck of cards. Perfect for EDC. You can open up the Dogma two ways. The first way is using the thumb hole, where you just put your thumb in here and you rotate it around that way. Second way is using the thumb flipper lever here. We can see beautiful jimping on there. The pivot point has a caged ceramic ball bearing pivot. Flies open, nice and smooth. And we have a liner lock on the inside here, locking right at the base of the blade. And you can see here the liner is skeletonized on the inside to save on weight. And again, to take it down, you just move this on the side, close the blade this way. Let's have a look at this blade profile, because we have a sinister classic clip point design. Check that out, man. That is one fierce looking blade. Right, we got a hollow grind in here, so it's not flat. It's going to be a little bit of a curvature in here. Satin finish. Look at that swedge on the top. Finger choil right up here so you can choke up. Do some detailed knife work. That's going to be a great looking slicer. Here's a look at the spine. Look at that. Beautifully done. This is a D2 steel. Has high amounts of chromium, so it's going to be great for corrosion resistance. Also very hard, which means that you're going to spend less time sharpening it. It's going to have really good edge retention. Check out the scales on this knife. G10. Jigged horn faux finish. It's supposed to look like those really old school folder pocket knives, the old slip joint ones. Now, some people are going to say this is a little bit boring because they do have ones that mimic those old school jigged horn knives, but I like the consistency of this color combination. Silver hardware torque screws. You can take it down and service it. Lanyard hole in the back. Back spacer, matching color. Pocket clip is reversible to the other side. Beautiful rounded beveling. Nice and smooth in the hand. Comfortable in the grip. Nice full grip there. Have a look at it that way. Let's have a look at this pocket clip. Alright, let me answer the question, how deep does it go? So this is what it's going to look like when it's in your pocket. Pretty deep. Man, guys, overall, the Civivi Dogma is one slick knife. If you're looking for a good slicer with a classic clip point blade, D2 steel, fast opener, this might be the knife for you. Well, alright, guys, that's the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.